It is Saturday morning. This video is going to be what sold on eBay for Friday. We've got 7 orders that were paid for. We had 11 orders placed. We're going to walk through what sold, so stick with us. Hey, good morning guys. How's it going? It's Saturday morning. I'm Brad with Bolo Pickers. Hey, we're going to show you what sold on eBay on Friday, and we've got 7 paid orders. We had 11 orders actually come in, but only 7 paid. So we're going to show you what sold, what we paid for them, and go from there. So let's get started. All right, first item going out is these right here. These are called new Fatal Funnel Wasp and Hornet Traps. This I got at a thrift store for I think $1.99. These are new. There's 10 of them in there, I believe. Maybe a dozen. 10 pack right there. It says it. Sold for $15.99. Like I said, we paid a couple bucks for it. It's going out with free shipping. We'll just stick that into a bubble mailer or a poly bag and send it on its way. Shouldn't cost us more than $3 to ship. It's very light. Another item going out today is an electronic toy. It's an Educational Insight Math Whiz. This sold for $10 plus shipping, and this is in location BS2B5. There it is right there. Should be pretty easy to ship out. It's just a little handheld Math Whiz game. It works. I believe it's even got batteries in it. Yep, it's got batteries in it. So we will ship that out today as well. On Saturdays, we try to get everything done and shipped so that way we can get it on its way to the buyer even quicker. So we've got an item that my wife said would never sell. So last night when it sold, I got to express my excitement to my wife because we did this puzzle as a family. It's a Looney Tunes puzzle. It was only 300 pieces. It took us less than an hour. It's a really fun puzzle, but it was missing one piece. And I told her, I said, I'm going to sell it. I said, it's worth it. It's a really good puzzle. The pieces, it's vintage. The pieces go together really well. And she said, no one's going to buy it with a missing piece. So in the title, my title of this listing is Looney Tunes Baseball Jigsaw Puzzle Warner Brothers. 300 pieces, 20 by 27, missing one piece. Right? And it sold for $4.99 and the buyer paid shipping. I'm not even sure where we got it. We either got it for free or we paid like 99 cents for it. So we made a little bit of money. It was a fun puzzle. It was good family time. And yeah, I got to tell my wife that I was actually right for once. So let's see. Next item up is in box 9, which is behind me. This is expired coffee that we had. I don't know. We probably were selling this somewhere else online. Oh, there it is. It's a 2-pack. This is Starbucks Plus. It's like extra caffeinated K-Cup pods. This is what they look like. It was a 2-pack. So there's 2 of those together, and I'll show you right there. There's 2 of them. That's sold for $34.95 plus the buyer paid shipping, I believe, on those. So a couple other cool items that sold, but they didn't pay, so I'm not going to pull those yet. Premium whiskey glasses. So we came into these from a friend who just didn't need them anymore, I believe, or it was in a bulk buy. I can't even remember. And we had a 2-pack sell and a single pack sell. So, and what it is a cigar whiskey glass. I'll open this one up and show you guys. This is our light table, by the way, where we do all of our pictures. This is what this glass looks like. So it's a whiskey glass, but it's got a cigar holder in it, which I guess is pretty cool. I don't smoke cigars or drink whiskey, so I don't know. But we had 1 sell for $14, and then we had 2 sell for $14. Those are free shipping. They're a little bit heavy, but they cost about $5 to ship one. It's probably going to be closer to $8 to ship both of these. But like I said, it's $28 plus free shipping. And being that the buy cost on those was either very low or free, that's a good deal for us. We had a DVD sell, and this is probably Informer Box 70. Let's see here. What's it called? Girls Just Want to Have Fun is the name of the DVD. And I honestly, oh, yep, I was going to say, I'm pretty sure it's in this box. This was box 12, but used to be BS box 70. There's a DVD, sold for $5.10, free shipping. It'll cost us $2.80 to ship that media mail on a bubble mailer. And it looks like that's it. So one of the most frustrating things for me on eBay is that people don't pay right away. There is an option to make them pay as soon as they purchase. We may go to that. It's not that big of a deal because all of those items will probably be paid for today, and then we'll ship them, we'll get them ready tomorrow or on Monday. So not a huge deal, but you know, it is what it is. It's part of being on eBay, I guess. So I'll get those 7 packages done. I did want to point out one thing for the next video I'm going to do. It's probably going to be tomorrow or Monday. I don't normally do this, but I was driving through my neighborhood and there was a box sitting out by the side of the road. It's not trash day. It's just sitting there. It had some fishing rods and some fishing nets. That's why I stopped, because I like to fish. And when I actually didn't take any fishing rods or fishing nets. However, I wanted to show you guys this box. So this box right here was just sitting at the side of the road. So I took the whole thing. And the reason I took the whole thing is there was a few items in there I saw that I knew might be worth some money. So here's a Uniden Bearcat. I don't know if it works, but that caught my eye. So then I saw that, you know, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a video and we're going to walk through, kind of do a surprise video of everything that's in that box. It's free. And even selling some of the items for, you know, $5 or $10, if there's 5 items in there, you know, you make 25 bucks and it's free cost of goods. I'm not normally a trash picker, I swear. But we've done it before. We've actually picked up furniture off the side of the road and flipped them on Facebook Marketplace. So I just stopped, I looked at it, and I just ended up grabbing the whole box. And so be on the lookout for that video. I think it'll be a lot of fun. It'll be pretty entertaining. And until next time, guys, stay safe, take it one day at a time, and we will see you soon.